And what have we got here?
79 Chrysler New Yorker.
Now, there have been a few modifications, would you say?
Just a couple. Some welding here and there.
Now, we're competing with a lot more than them now.
Yeah.
So, how long have you been in the Demolition Derby?
This will be my 4th year.
Your 4th, awesome. Any wins?
I won the wipeout my first year.
Oh, really?
About it, though.
Cool. Let's get a big shot of you and your vehicle here. Sweet. All right. Well, good luck out there. Thanks.
I'm Devin Lohmeyer, and it's my car. It's a 77 Dodge. And glad. Thanks Barry for sponsoring me, and Scott from Scott's Cars, and hope I do good.
All right. Have you done this before?
Yeah, a couple times.
A couple times before. Did you win anything?
No, I ain't won nothing.
Not yet, anyway.
Not yet.
Tonight could be the night, though.
Oh, it's gonna happen.
All right. Any special features you want to point out? How about this? Give us a basic what the basic requirements are of a demolition derby. Talk about things like the roll cage, that kind of thing.
Roll cage ain't mandatory, but it's.
Oh, really?
It's a damn good idea.
Oh, yeah.
Helmet, goggles, neck brace, so you don't break nothing, and motor that runs hot, and good tires.
And good tires,
good
okay.
Tires.
Wow, yeah, those are pretty sweet. My goodness. Whew. Let's see, no stereo.
No radio.
No windshield. That could be a liability, couldn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Professors, would you please?
Now, what have you got? What part is in the box there?
That's a transmission cooler.
Oh, okay.
Training fluid runs from the transmission into the
Welcome,
boxes,
ladies and gentlemen.
it's
It's
full
7
of ice.
o'clock.
Oh, really?
About
Wow.
time to get this big
Can you show that to
started.
us, or is it
Welcome
locked in?
to the 24th annual Fairview Demolition Derby. We got 30 cars here tonight for you folks.
It's got a
It'll be
couple
real
of
good
air
show.
conditioner condensers in there, and it's just
Wow.
full of ice.
Okay. Now, where's the fuel tank?
Fuel right here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's hiding.
Are you
Yep.
ready, Kelly? How about our
Alrighty.
Steve?
Well, well, thank you very much, and good luck tonight.
Thanks.
Ciao.
Wave hi to the camera. Hi!
Gotcha.
How's it going?
Dave.